Yeah, the representative from Combi came in and showed us the advantages of redesigning the racks, and they showed us how more efficient we could be with the Combilifts. We've got a ton more siding in here, a lot more than anybody could expect. We chose the CB 6000 because it can pick up 6,000 pound loads comparatively no problem, because it fits perfectly in our aisles. It's perfect for picking up hardy board inside. You can see the aisles are narrow. It fits right down there, no problem at all. We got room both sides to pick up, come on out and do the job. When I started here, we had hardy outside, it was hardy mountain. With the Combi CB 6000, we got hardy inside, we got double stack, we can maneuver in and out closer. I mean, if it rains, we're covered, we're good to go. If I had any questions, I can always call my Combilift representative, and he's always glad to help us out.
With the Combilift assisting on the layout of the warehouse, measuring pallets and seeing the best way possible that we could do it to get the most bang for our buck, essentially. I'm glad we got them, because overall, I mean, it makes the warehouse look so much better, and we have so much more material in here now. The way it was before to compare to it is now, you can't even put it in words. It just looks better than it ever has, honestly. I can say, for instance, that the Combilift has gotten me out of some tight spots. Just so much easier on a day-to-day basis, as far as coming in and out of these narrow aisles, unloading trucks, all the way down to the forks, closing in and out from the hydraulics that it has. It's so much faster than using a regular forklift. You can maneuver 1,000% easier than you can with a regular forklift. So if we didn't have the Combilift, I would say that it would be more stressful in a sense, because if you try to do the same thing with the regular forklift that you do with the Combilift, you're potentially creating a hazard, and it's not going to be as safe, or you won't be able to do it at all, because the Combilift is just that much better than a standard forklift. I would say that, the Combilift is honestly the way to go, because you can use it for anything that your warehouse needs. You don't have to switch it back and forth from this lift to that lift, because this lift can't do it and that lift can't do it. The Combilift does it all. You can move siding with it, you move shingles, hardy. Really, it's probably the best thing that's happened to this warehouse, or our warehouse in general.
It's amazing. It's a wonderful machine.